Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time visiting this channel, click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified as soon as possible. So this is the midweek market analysis, and here on the midweek market analysis, we look at what has happened in the past days and what is yet to happen in the next days ahead of us, as far as the current week is concerned. So what has happened in the past days, the data of the past days is going to give us information on what is to happen in the next days ahead. All right, here. So if this is your first time, welcome, and trust me, you've really come to the right place when it comes to giving out value to help your trading journey. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then like, and then let me know what you think in the comment section too as well. So let's start just as we normally do. Let's start with the dollar index and see what is happening on the dollar index. So before the week started, on my weekly market outlook, I made you aware that I will expect to see price retrace a little bit to the downside, but looking at the way things are going, we price retrace though, but I was expecting it to get somewhere here to take out Friday's low. So it takes this low. That was the low of the week, but it didn't happen. All right, yes, it didn't really happen. Yes, it didn't really happen for us. But look at what happened on Monday. Monday was a holiday. Yes, Monday was a bank holiday in the US, and we didn't really see any clear movement on the market. So this is the price action of Monday. This is the price action of Monday. Yes, so Tuesday was actually the beginning of the week for me. Yes, because once it is a bank holiday on Monday, Tuesday, that is when what happens normally on Monday is going to happen on Tuesday. Here, so Tuesday we had a market giving us this rough price action, and on Wednesday we saw price taking out the previous day's high. All right, we saw price taking out the previous day's high, and we saw after taking out the previous day's high, we saw price retraced a little bit into the zone. Then we saw a move to the upside, taking out this buy side liquidity. And at the moment, I'm expecting to see price take out this buy side liquidity. That is the previous week's high, the high of last week. But before that, I want to see price retraced a little bit into the zone before we see a move to the upside. It's either price moves into the zone or we see price into this area. All right, yes, so that is going to be my expectation on the dollar index. I'm bullish. Yes, I'm bullish on the dollar index. So going ahead, Thursday, Friday, I'll be looking for bullish prices on the dollar index. Let's look at what is happening on GBPUSD. So for GBPUSD, within my weekly market outlook, those of you that watched it, I made out this zone. All right, yes, I called out this level and I was expecting to see how price is going to react to this level. And look at what happened. Look at what happened on Monday. Monday we saw price consolidating above the zone, and on Tuesday we saw price moving into this zone to the upside. And so if you took this trade, all right, if you took this trade, you should be able to get 100+ pips on this very trade. All right, yeah, so those of you that took it, congratulations. All right, because I called this move. All right, I wanted to see this move happening. I wanted to see price take out this buy side liquidity, and it did exactly that. All right, price did exactly that. Yes, so that is just that. And so going into the next days, so far as this week is concerned, I want to see price move to the downside. Why am I expecting to see price move to the downside? Let's go to the daily for me to show you something on the daily time frame. The daily is heavily bearish. Yes, so look at what happened. Just take a closer look at what happened. Take a closer look. Just take a closer look. Look at this. We had a fair value gap here. All right, we had a fair value gap here, and you see, Works like this, I don't take it for granted, especially when it's on a higher time frame. All right, works like this, I always tell you that works like this on a higher time frame are candles on a lower time frame. All right, yeah. So this week that you are seeing here, this week we are seeing here is a bearish candle on a higher time frame. Let's go back into the 1 hour time frame and see. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame and see. Yes, so just as you can see, this is just that. All right, yes. So this is it. This is it. Let's so you see the last down close candle prior to price was moving to the upside, taking on this buy side liquidity. That is where price has come back. All right, and we've seen the reversal. So I always tell you, works like this on a high time frame, don't take it for granted. Whenever you see it, draw them out and go into the lower time frame and see what is happening on the lower time frame. You see that price is going to respect that very zone, and so upon price filling that I'm expecting to see price take out the previous week's low. All right, the previous week's low, and together with this it gives us an equal low. All right, a relative equal low. I'm expecting price to take out that low into the zone. All right, yes. So I'm very bearish on GBPUSD. I'm very bearish on GBPUSD. So going into the next few days, so far as this week is concerned, I'll be looking for bearish prices on GBPUSD. I'll be looking for bearish price on GBPUSD. So you're likely to see a little bit of retracement into this zone. Then we see a move to the upside. But I'll take a trade. All right, I'll start adding positions to GBPUSD after price has violated this zone. All right, yes. So that is when I'll start adding positions on GBPUSD. So I want to see this happening. I want to see after price retracing a little bit. I want to see price move a little bit into the zone, close below this, and then you see a move to the downside. Yeah, so that is going to be my expectation on GBPUSD going into the next few days so far as this week is concerned. Let's look at what is happening on AUDUSD. So for AUDUSD, I'm bearish. All right, I'll be looking for bearish prices. I'll be looking for bearish price in AUDUSD. I want to see price retrace a little bit. The retracement has already happened, so going into the next days, I want to see price giving us a bearish move. All right, yeah, so I want to see price giving us a bearish move to the downside. Yeah, so I'm bearish on AUDUSD going into the next few days. All right, yes, price has given us a bearish order flow for the past few days and few weeks. All right, yes, just as you can see, these are the previous trades that have taken on AUDUSD, and so I'm still holding on to my bearish bias on AUDUSD. Let's look at what is happening on NZDUSD as well. So for NZDUSD, I'm bearish. All right, NZDUSD is heavily bearish. Let me show you something on a daily. All right, yes. So let's switch to the daily and see what is happening on the daily time frame. Yeah, so for the daily, just as you can see on the daily, price has closed. This is a bullish order block. So price has closed below this bullish order block you are seeing here. So look at this. We have a lot of sell side liquidity here. A lot. All right, then this is the daily time frame too as well. So you can imagine the amount of pips waiting for us. Let's see, amount of pips, about 700 plus pips waiting for us on NZDUSD. So I mean, it's a huge pips. It's a huge pips waiting for us, and it's going to take patience for us to see that move happening. And so I'm bearish. All right, I'll be looking for bearish prices on NZDUSD. I'm looking for bearish prices on NZDUSD, and so price taking out the previous day's low. All right, that is Tuesday's low. Will ginger me to be adding more positions. All right, yes, because that is going to be my final bearish confirmation on this pair. All right, so a sweep of this sell side liquidity, all right, a sweep of this sell side liquidity will be my final confirmation. All right, will be my final confirmation on this market. All right, yeah, so that is just that going into the next few days so far as this week's midweek market analysis is concerned. All right, yes, so I've called moves on this analysis. All right, so make sure you take note of all that I've said. You can go back and rewatch it again. All right, I always tell you that the midweek market outlook or analysis and then the weekly review are the contents that you should be very, very particular about them, because these are the contents that I educate. All right, I share a lot of tips, a lot of educational tips so far as the forex market is concerned. So if not for anything at all, you don't have to miss my midweek market analysis and then the weekly review, because you're going to learn something from it. And today I shared something. All right, I've given you a tip. I've given you a tip. All right, I've given you a tip on this market. I said something here. I said something on Gbpusd, and so just take note of that. All right, yes, take note of that and see how it reacts. It's something that I've discovered. I've discovered it recently. All right, and so once it's something I've discovered, there's no way I'm gonna really depart from it. So if you are learning it, learn it and take it seriously. It's really gonna help your developments. Yeah, so that is just that going into the next few days for this week is concerned. I wish you all good luck and good trade. I'll come your way again by the close of the week to give you the weekly market review. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell. And if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, to check the description box below. The link is there. Click on the link and be part of the Flax Trading Telegram community. Peace out.